An ECU, Engine Control Unit, or ECM, Engine Control Module, is the primary computer in today's automobiles. It functions as the central processing unit for the engine's operational parameters. The ECU, ECM monitors and adjusts various engine functions. These functions include fuel injection, ignition timing, and idle speed. This centralized control optimizes engine performance and efficiency. A circuit board is composed of several key components. The microprocessor serves as the central processing unit. Memory chips store data and instructions for the microprocessor. Input circuits receive signals from external devices. Output circuits transmit signals to external devices. The engine control unit, ECU, relies on sensor data for optimal operation. Numerous sensors continuously monitor various engine conditions. These sensors transmit real-time data to the ECU. The data includes parameters like temperature, pressure, and flow rates. This input allows the ECU to make informed decisions about engine control. The throttle position sensor, TPS, is a crucial component in modern vehicle engines. Its primary function is to measure the angle of the throttle valve. The throttle valve controls the amount of air entering the engine. By measuring the throttle valve angle, the TPS indirectly indicates the driver's demand for power. This information is relayed to the engine control unit, ECU. The ECU uses this data to optimize fuel injection and ignition timing for efficient engine operation. The mass airflow, MAF, sensor is a critical component in modern engines. Its primary function is to measure the quantity of air entering the engine's intake system. This measurement is essential for the engine control unit, ECU, to calculate the correct fuel mixture. Accurate air mass data ensures optimal combustion and engine performance. The MAF sensor directly contributes to fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Oxygen sensors are installed within the exhaust system. These sensors monitor the composition of the air-fuel mixture after combustion. This monitoring provides crucial data for engine management systems. The data ensures optimal combustion and reduces emissions. The coolant temperature sensor, CTS, is a vital component in modern engines. CTS is responsible for monitoring the engine's coolant temperature. The data is used to optimize fuel delivery. This ensures efficient engine operation across various conditions. The crankshaft position sensor, CKP, is a crucial component in modern engines. It accurately monitors the rotational speed of the crankshaft. The CKP also determines the precise position of the pistons within the cylinders. This information is vital for engine timing, fuel injection, and ignition control. The engine control unit, ECU, is responsible for managing engine performance. The ECU uses data collected from various sensors throughout the engine system. These sensors provide real-time information about engine conditions. Based on sensor data, the ECU adjusts various actuators. Actuators are components that control specific engine functions. This closed-loop control optimizes engine performance and efficiency. Fuel injectors are crucial components in modern internal combustion engines. These injectors are responsible for delivering fuel into the engine cylinders. The engine control unit, ECU, precisely manages the operation of the fuel injectors. The ECU regulates the quantity of fuel injected into each cylinder. This precise control ensures optimal combustion and engine performance. Ignition timing is a critical parameter in internal combustion engines. It refers to the point in time when the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder. Precise ignition timing is essential for efficient and complete combustion. The engine control unit, ECU, manages ignition timing to optimize engine performance. This control ensures the engine operates efficiently across various conditions. The idle air control, IAC, valve is a component used in automotive engines. Its primary function is to regulate the amount of air entering the engine when it is idling. This regulation is crucial for maintaining a stable engine speed during idle conditions. The IAC valve adjusts the airflow to compensate for varying engine loads and temperatures. By controlling airflow, the IAC valve prevents the engine from stalling or running too fast at idle. Proper functioning of the IAC valve ensures smooth and efficient engine operation during idle. Modern vehicles utilize an electronic throttle system for precise engine control. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, directly manages the throttle valve in this system. This direct control allows for optimized fuel efficiency. It also enhances responsiveness to driver input. The electronic throttle system contributes to improved overall vehicle performance. The ECU, Engine Control Unit, is the central processing unit in a vehicle's electronic control system. It receives data from various sensors throughout the vehicle. These sensors monitor parameters such as engine temperature, speed, and oxygen levels. The ECU uses complex algorithms to analyze this sensor data. Based on the analysis, the ECU determines the optimal settings for various actuators. Actuators control components like fuel injectors, ignition timing, and valve control. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, uses a closed-loop control system. This system relies on continuous feedback from various sensors. The ECU adjusts operating parameters based on this sensor data. This continuous adjustment optimizes engine performance. Closed-loop control ensures efficient and responsive engine management. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, manages engine operations with high precision. Precise control of engine functions is achieved through the ECU. The ECU optimizes engine performance by managing various parameters. Fuel efficiency is enhanced through the ECU's precise adjustments. The ECU contributes to reduced emissions via optimized combustion. In the next episode, you'll see how the ECU uses sensors to see the engine and why sensor faults cause many problems.